Hello, welcome to this course. Here you will learn how to train a language model from scratch. The model that you will train will be able to chat like you or anyone else you want. You will learn how to use chat messages from apps like WhatsApp and Telegram to train your own model. I made this course because I was curious and wanted to understand the full process of training a language model. In this introductory video, I will explain what you will learn in this course. Why take this course? One reason is that it is amazing to use math to copy the way someone talks. This could even bring back the way a person spoke, even if they are no longer alive. Another reason is to learn how to train a language model step by step. We will look at data extraction, data cleaning, tokenization, and more. Also, I am from Morocco and we speak Darija. But when we type, we mix French and Arabic letters and sometimes we use numbers too. This makes it hard for a language model to understand. If you look at the image, and if you are a Moroccan person or someone from Algeria, you will understand what I said here. And you will see that the model is not that great because, training a very big model to learn everything is not going to work, especially for our own language. So this is why I wanted to train a model specifically trained only on Darija. And let's see if it can learn this language well. How do we do this? The first step in the pipeline is data extraction. You need to get your chat messages. You can extract them from WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram. You can use group chats or private conversations. This is useful if you want to train a model on a rare language. Next, we combine the text. The raw chat data is in a back and forth format. But what we need at the end is to concatenate the text in order to have a sequence of text. The third step is text encoding. We will use BPE, which stands for byte pair encoding, to create our vocabulary and encode the text. You can learn about BPE and tokenization from these three sources. You have this Wikipedia article, this Hugging Face course, and Karpati's YouTube video. After running the BPE algorithm, we will have a vocabulary. Each word or part of a word will have a unique ID. Then we will encode the text using these IDs. Next, we will build the transformer model from scratch. I will do my best to explain it, but I also recommend watching the StatQuest video. It explains transformers very well. Now we will train the model. We will split the data into two parts. Training data, this is going to be used for learning, and validation data. This one is going to be used to check how well the model is learning. After training, we will have a base model. This model can predict the next word based on the training data, but it is not very useful yet. To make it useful, we need to fine-tune it. We will create a fine-tuning dataset. The orange section is where you put the messages of the person you want to imitate. If you want the model to chat like you, then put your messages there. In the last step, we fine-tune the model using this special dataset. After this, the model will be able to mimic the way that person talks, but the hardest part is choosing the good fine-tuning dataset because it affects how the model behaves. Are you ready? Let's begin.